Thiago here, welcome back, or welcome, and if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Akeeyo AKY-NV-X. I will tell you all about this dashcam, price, specs, image quality, all about that. So let's start with the price. Akeeyo just started a Kickstarter project for this dashcam and has an early bird price of $259. This is 40% off the retail price of $432. Like always, I'll leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. I have reviewed Akeeyo Dash Cams in the past. They're a Japanese company and they make great dash cams. Let's see what we have in the box next. So, we have a yellow warning sticker that say attention, and that's it. The rest is in Japanese, I believe. I don't understand why Akeeyo keeps putting this sticker without being in English, but let's move on. After that, the main unit. Let's see what is underneath. It comes with a SD card, 32 GB. You have the hard wiring, if you want to do a more permanent installation. Next is the back camera, with a very long cable. You have the GPS module, the front camera, more on that later, a cleaning cloth, the mounting base for your screen, more on this later as well. You have also the cigarette lighter charger. You have also a mount clip for the back camera. Plastic crowbar is all included for you to hide your cables. Let's see each part more in detail next. The Akeeyo Dashcam comes with an 11 inches 1020p real-time display. It's a touchscreen display, displays real-time road conditions, expanding the visual range, eliminating any blind spots. The GPS model has a cable length of about 3 meters, and it works really well. It locks straight away without any problems. The back camera has a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. It's a 2 megapixel camera and has a cable length of 7 meters. I would say long enough for any car. The front camera has a super night vision, more on that later. It's a 2 megapixels as well and has a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. Let's see the specs next. So, the sensor is a Sony Starvis sensor. It has a f1 aperture. It has blind spot detection system, front and back cameras, 11 inches touchscreen real-time display, super night vision, comes with GPS model, supports sound recording, video format is TS, and pictures format is JPEG. Next, the installation. The installation is easy. You have plenty cable to work with. Just choose where to place the screen and the two cameras. The back camera, you can put it outside of the car if you wish. It's waterproof. I choose to put it inside. Then connect all the cables, hide them, and that's it. Now, a few things regarding the installation. The bottom of the base has some kind of glue to stick to your dashboard. Well, in my case, I was not able to do that. And the screen kept falling. The footage coming out of the rear camera is quite nice. It has a field of view close to 100 degrees. It's wide enough. And great for the blind spot detection. A red bar will appear to let you know that it's not safe to overtake. The camera is always on and can be used for the parking assistance. You can also, if you wish, connect the dedicated signal wire so that the camera goes in parking mode automatically. Next, before we talk about the video image quality, I'm going to leave you with some clips from the front camera during the day. quality is great and full of detail with vivid colors, but I must say, it's not the best I haven't seen until today. Before we talk about the night vision, and that's different, because it's one of the best I have seen until today, Akeeyo have one desktop app called DV Player, where you can see the footage, all the information like speed and where your car is in Google Maps. Simple but efficient. Next is the night vision. Before we talk about the night vision, I'm going to leave you with a few clips recorded during the night. The night vision on the Akeeyo AKY-NV-X, I don't know why they came up with this name, anyway, is one of the best in my opinion. You can see all the details like colors and number plates. Like I said, one of the best at this level. It's really super. My final opinion. You have a big screen, 11 inches, where you can see the front and back cameras at the same time in real time. You have a great image quality and amazing, or should I say, super night vision. You have blind spot detection and a lot more things. If AKY fixes the base, that in my case it didn't stick to the dashboard, you have one of the best dash cams out there. And that's it guys, this was our review on AKY, hang on a second, AKY-NV-X. I still don't understand why they come up with these names. Call it something different, I don't know. Anyways, Thiago here, wishing you guys a great day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.